we recording?
Uh-oh.
Hey guys, it's the silly couple, Joseph.
And Victoria.
Thanks for joining us today. As you know, previously we went over our cleaning calendar, and you can see today, the 14th is when we're recording this, and you can see that we have some stuff we still have to do. We're going to have to vacuum after this video, so we're slightly behind schedule, but honestly, we didn't put these in here as strict deadlines, because honestly, it's not going to take an hour to vacuum.
No.
I don't know what universe it would, at least not in our house. If you have a house that's big enough to take an hour for you to do vacuuming, please send us an invite. We'd love to come over and visit. Maybe have a nice day there, you know. But so what are we going to do today?
Go over how to make a cleaning schedule with Google.
Right, so yeah, this is to show you how to make a cleaning schedule in Google Calendars. And it's really simple. All you do is you go here to your Google Calendars. You notice calendar.google.com. Very easy to get to. Just click down here, click the plus, and then all you do is create a new calendar. Let's just example calendar for people who need help. This is really simple. I think you're kind of dumb for needing assistance with this.
That's
all
mean.
Right. Well, you know, I'm in a little bit of a cantankerous mood, so let's go ahead and do that. Example calendar. So let's go configure it. Okay, you see all these details here? Just ignore them. Go back, and you'll see our example calendar. I'm going to get rid of our cleaning calendar, and here's what happens. All you do is you click on a time, and you say example sweeping, let's say. And then you just save it. Now here's how this works. You can actually go here, click on the little three dots, and you can change the color. I'd recommend this so that you can keep it separate from your other calendars. Now from here, if you go to edit, you can actually set this. So let's say you need to sweep every day. You just set it daily and save. Then you have a daily sweeping task. And if you have a phone, which if you're watching this, does everyone have phones nowadays?
I think so.
Yeah, I'm going to assume everyone has a smartphone. So if you do have a phone, then what you can do is you can just set up notifications on your Google Calendar on your phone. Makes it really easy. But let's say that you do this every weekly on Tuesday or every monthly on the second Tuesday. Again, I don't know.
Once a year.
No, there are some things that, yeah, you probably just need to do once a year.
Yeah.
I don't know. We don't have our full calendar in front of us because I'm showing you this example. But there are some things that are literally once a year. Every weekday, Monday through Friday, or custom. Now, custom's really cool because I know for us, we have stuff that every other day. So you can put it every 2 days or maybe every 3 days you do it. And you just set that up. And if you do it every 2 days, I'm editing. Okay, this one's a more advanced, quote unquote. You put this and following events. And then you see it disappears. And there it is. Oh, not there. Now it's there because it's every other day. Again, this is a pretty simple system to set up. Hopefully this helped you figure it out. Do you think I need to show anything else for people who are a little bit slow, computer illiterate?
No. I think you're good. I think you got it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Think I'm a little bit too mean?
Maybe.
I think they can take it. Let us know in the comments below if you'd like to actually see our full cleaning calendar, what we'd recommend. Keep in mind, we don't have a huge house, and we don't have kids, so what works for us may not work for you. I imagine if we had kids, this cleaning calendar would be
more extensive. And it would be, you'd put kids to work. Haha.
Yeah, there you go. Child labor. That's the way to do it. But yeah, so thanks for joining us. Hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully you enjoyed my sarcasm along the way too. If it hurt your feelings, let me know below so I can laugh at you in my spare time and pray that you grow a spine.
Oh, okay.
See you guys next time.
Bye. Stay silly and subscribe.